Outside the courthouse, abortion opponents prayed while abortion rights supporters decried the recent Roe v. Wade decision. Inside the courtroom, both sides made their cases while trying to pick apart each other's arguments.
Is it fair to say that EMW is a profit-making corporation?
Objection, Your Honor.
Jefferson Circuit Court Judge Mitch Perry already issued a temporary restraining order blocking Kentucky's abortion ban, which was triggered by the recent Supreme Court decision.
Abortion is essential medical care, and people have the right to determine whether or not they wish to bear children.
EMW Women's Surgical Center and Planned Parenthood want a longer-term injunction while the state ban works its way through the courts.
There will be serious costs for Kentuckians, including financial hardship, educational and professional harms, physical and emotional harms, psychological harms.
Attorney General Daniel Cameron's office is defending the ban, and they oppose an injunction.
I think the question really comes down to what is the value of fetal life. If the value of fetal life is, and I think I want to say this, if the value of fetal life is, if there is value to fetal life, then its destruction is problematic.
One of their witnesses testified about the development of a fetus.
I will tell you from scanning literally thousands of women, it's a magical moment for a lot of women to see their baby's heartbeat for the first time.
Both sides have until July 18th to submit their final briefs. Then it's up to Judge Perry to decide whether or not he's going to issue that injunction. If there's one thing both sides can agree on, it's that this case is probably going to end up in Kentucky's Supreme Court. Mark Vanderhoff, WLKY News.